If you're interested in nice looking code, here's a really cool tip. Now, look what happens when I enable font ligatures in the settings. All our two character comparison operators get combined into a single symbol. Not only is this nice looking, but it may actually help you read and understand your code a little faster. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to set this up on your machine. Here in VS Code, I'm just going to type in a couple of symbols. Double equals, not equals, less than or equals, greater than or equals, and let's go with a single arrow as well as a double arrow. I'll hit Control comma to open the settings and type in font. The setting we're interested in is font ligatures. I'm going to hit edit in settings.json and change editor.fontligatures to true. So if we go back to our document, you'll notice nothing has changed. Even though we've enabled ligatures, no ligatures are available. The reason is because we don't have a ligaturized font. It's pretty easy to find ligaturized fonts on the internet, but make sure you find one that's specifically made for code. Probably the most popular is Fira code. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to use Consolas Ligaturized. Consolas is the default font that comes with VS Code, but it has the ligatures from Fira code added into it. To install, go to the GitHub page, click the green code button, and hit download zip. Once that's downloaded, you'll want to show it in the folder. You'll want to right click and hit extract all. Then hit extract, open the folder, then you'll want to open Consolas Fira Code v2, which is the latest, click the top file, shift click the bottom file, right click, and hit install. This will install the font onto your system. Now, just to make sure that VS Code picks up the new font, I'm going to close it and restart. Now before we do anything in VS Code, I'm going to go back to the GitHub page where we downloaded the font, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom just to find out what the official name of the font is. In this case, it's Consolas Ligaturized v2. I'm going to copy that, and back in VS Code, I'm going to add that font to the very beginning of our font family list in the settings. Make sure it's separated by a comma. Now if we go back into our document, you'll notice our symbols have updated this time, and they'll even update as we type. And remember, we're not actually changing the underlying text here. The only thing that's changed is the font and the rendering method that we're using here in VS Code that makes two symbol characters look like a single symbol. Hope that helps.